Hi guys, this is a quick video to show you how I fixed the issue that I had with my GoPro 4 and the camera grip. So, back of the story, I had a message popping at the back of my GoPro 4 when connected to the camera grip, which is a normal message you get saying USB connected, accessibility. I can't remember exactly what was coming out, but the message stayed there and I wasn't able to use the camera grip with the GoPro. So I took off the GoPro, tried the GoPro was working. I then thought that it might be an issue with the camera grip itself. And in fact, the problem was the camera grip, and this is how we fixed that. So, starting from that, you've got the on and mode button. That's the guy that you need to press and hold for 10 seconds. What will happen then is that the 4 LED will blink once, with the exception of having the last one red. It will all disappear, and then you can let go, and the camera grip will turn on again, and by then the camera grip will be reset to factory settings. So let's do that together. Press and hold. Red, and I can let go. And you're ready to go. So guys, you could do that with your GoPro in place. I did it without. I don't really think that's going to make a massive difference, but this is how I eventually got out and got rid of the problem that I had. I'm good to go. That's all for now. Hope you enjoy and hope you find that useful. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Bye. One last and very quick thing. So whenever I want to switch off my camera grip, I tend to have my index finger there, because what happens is that if you don't, you switch it off and the motor there will just spin and hit there. A repetition of that could cause a damage on your device. So this is what I tend to do. Index finger there, press and hold, off, let it go.